Hi, it's Charles Bryant here at Perpetual Studios. Some of you will remember in 2019 that I co-wrote a song with Gavin Chapel-Bates, Peace on Your Plate, and we tried to get the first ever vegan Christmas #1. We recorded at Abbey Road, we toured the country. Unfortunately, we didn't quite manage #1, but we did get to #5 in the Amazon download chart and #7 in the Google download chart, which was a fantastic achievement. But we are back. I've composed a new song called I Am One With You, which is a beautiful message of love and unity, and doesn't our world need it now? But I need your help to create a world orchestra for the climax of the song. I've been recording with some amazing musicians from all over the world so far, and we've got sponsorship in, which is paid for the violins from Europe, it's paid for trumpets from Africa, it's paid for cellos from South America, we've got some clarinet from Moldova. So the parts are coming in, but if you would like to sponsor an instrument for this song, then it's going to help us to create this worldwide orchestra for peace and positivity. But I tell you what, why don't we have a little listen to what we've got so far? Well, as you can hear, that's really starting to sound warm and rich, but a full orchestra, we need a lot more instruments in there. So the links are in the description below. You can contact me. There are various price points. You can sponsor a tuba, a trombone, a bassoon, a glockenspiel, a viola. So many instruments in the orchestra that we are looking for. An oboe, oh, isn't that beautiful, the oboe? Wouldn't it be lovely to have more strings in there as well? Wouldn't it be wonderful to have a full range of brass and woodwind and orchestral percussion as well, and make this song so incredible so it can really touch people's hearts all over the world, that love will shine away. So this is Giles Bryant. Check out what we're doing at peaceonyourplate.co.uk. You can personally find me, Giles Bryant, at yahoo.com, or check out my work at gilesbryant.com. Please contact me. Please, let's make this happen. We're going to be recording in November, finishing recording in November, and mixing and mastering December. We're going to be promoting. We want to make a music video as well. So any help out there, we really would appreciate on that mission. So please do get involved with this amazing project. I am one with you, you are one with me, and love will shine away.
When will we learn to set each other free?